This delicious Duncan Hines chocolate mayonnaise cake is a recipe that you should be trying. It is chocolatey, moist, and delicious. No matter the occasion, you simply can't go wrong with this yummy mayo chocolate cake. What does adding mayo to the cake mix do? Adding mayo to cakes makes them moist and rich. Mayo is especially great for chocolate cakes, as they can become dense easily. It is a great ingredient to take boxed cake mix up a level, and you won't be able to taste the mayo itself. For the chocolate cake, mayo adds extra oil which provides tenderness to the cake crumb. In addition, the vinegar from the mayonnaise works to enhance the flavor. The acidity from it balances with the sweetness, allowing the chocolate to shine through. What you need to make Duncan Hines chocolate mayonnaise cake. Ingredients: 1 box Duncan Hines Devil's Food Cake Mix, 1 1/8 cups of water, 2 large eggs, 1 cup mayonnaise, 1 cup chocolate chips. For the chocolate buttercream: 6 tablespoons butter, softened, 2 2/3 cups of powdered sugar, half a cup of cocoa powder, 1/3 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Step by step. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease your 9 by 13 by 2-inch cake pan with cooking spray. Step 2. In a large mixing bowl, add the cake mix, eggs, mayo, and water. Mix by hand or with an electric mixer until the cake batter is well combined. Using a rubber spatula, fold the chocolate chips into the cake batter. Step 3. Pour the cake batter into the 9 by 13 by 2-inch cake pan and bake for 35 minutes or until the center of the cake springs back. Let the cake cool on the wire rack until it is no longer hot, and in the meantime make the frosting. Step 4. While the chocolate cake is cooling, prepare your chocolate buttercream frosting. In a large or medium mixing bowl, beat the butter with an electric mixer until it becomes creamy. Combine the powdered sugar and cocoa powder in a small and whisk together. Alternate adding powdered sugar and cocoa powder with the milk. Beat the frosting mixture until smooth and creamy. Then, mix in your vanilla extract until it is combined. Step 5. Using an offset spatula or a rubber spatula, frost the cooled chocolate cake with the chocolate buttercream. Cut the cake with a knife, serve and enjoy. Tips and tricks. You can store the chocolate buttercream cake for 2 to 3 days at room temperature in an airtight container. In addition, you can also store the cake in the fridge for up to 7 days, frosted or unfrosted. You may freeze the chocolate mayo cake as well. If it is frosted, place it in the freezer for 1 hour to let the frosting set. Then, take it out and cover it with a layer of plastic wrap and then a layer of aluminum foil. When using the mayonnaise in the cake, be sure it is at room temperature before you add it. You can use any brand of mayo you like for your cake, but many people will recommend Duke's or Hellmann's to use. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.